Hey guys, so I'm super excited to be unboxing my very first ever cloth and paper order. I have been eyeing this company for such a long time, so I finally took the plunge on June 12th and placed my very first order, and I actually haven't opened this, so let's go ahead and dive right in. So all I did was just slice it open so I can open this up. I was really curious as to how everything was packaged. So let's go ahead and see what is in here. The first thing I see are these, and I believe these are freebies. Okay, so I'm gonna place it like that because it did not want to stay open. So let's look in here. I can tell that I am already loving this right here. I just love how all of their items are so neutral. So that's kind of what drew me in. So this is a little thank you for your purchase. Okay, this is pretty amazing. And then I believe this is going to be my order information, so I'll put that off to the side. Heavy is the head that wears the crown. I just love all of their quotes. Everything is just so simple. Oh wow, these page flags are so pretty. I love that shade. It's a pink shade, so it's the rose shade, and that is just so pretty. Like, look at that. I am obsessed with pink, and so this is going to be super pretty. And then let's see what else. A note to self: I wouldn't trade you for anyone in the world. Wow, that's amazing. And so what is this? It looks like a sleeve of some sort. Okay, yeah. So a little adhesive pocket. Oh, I love that. Okay, perfect. So I am loving these freebies. I especially love this one because I believe they were for a while using the Tombow markers, and I love those, but I also love this as well. So let's put this off to the side. And so here it is. I love this. Like, just the simple fact that it's white and black, I am already loving that. Look at this. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this out so we can get rid of this box. All right, there we go. So let's see, maybe like this. I love this right here, and I believe that's a dashboard as well. So that's pretty. And let's see. Okay, so the first thing that I see are these little like bullet points. I believe that's what they're meant to be, and these are the drops. And so this mink color, and then I also got it in the nude. These are just going to be amazing. This mauve color, which looks a little bit purple. I thought it was going to be more pinkish, but it is purple. So the rose is actually what I thought the mauve one was going to look like. And these are the dots. And let's see, I believe these ones are the ones that come with the 5 sheets, if I'm not mistaken. So let's see. So yeah, okay, so we have dots, hexagons, squares, tape, and corners. So you did get 5 of these, which is amazing. And again with this one, so 5 sheet of these. And so here's this purpley color. And again, dots, hexagons, squares, tape, and corners. And these ones are just in a set of 2. So you don't get 5 of these ones, just like you do with the other ones. So I love that. These are so perfect. And these mink ones, might as well just go ahead and open these up as well. And I also want to warn you that this is the first order of many. I went down the rabbit hole and I just started ordering, and they had so many specials going on. I went ahead and ordered a special that they were having and some restock items. on June 19th, and they also had a promo going on for Juneteenth, so I did take advantage of that. So this is the first order of many, and I'm so excited. I cannot wait to start using all of these. So I did order this dashboard, and apparently I got 2 of these. I don't know how that happened. I didn't realize it, but I am okay with that. Like, how gorgeous is this? So simple, so neutral, and that's exactly what has drawn me to this company. I've kind of just been eyeing them from the sideline, but I just love how everything is so simple and sleek, and I just love that. And then this dashboard right here, and these are going to be for a half letter. And I did order some classic size as well, but as you can see, that has 8 of the holes for the half letter. So here's another very simple, classic, and sleek dashboard. I love this. And I also got one of their new inbox because I believe there is a, like the first version of this, but this is their newest one. Like, how pretty does this all look? Just layered like this. I think that looks super, super pretty. So just neutral. And that is what I am loving at this moment. I mean, I've always loved neutral, but this is just beyond amazing. Everything is super duper neutral, and I love that. And so let's see, I believe these are the weekly inserts that I got. And so let me show you what these look like. So right here we have the half letter. And is this the back? Let me see. Okay, so I think that was the back. So it did show that this was the half letter. So we have the 2020. This belongs to the year at a glance, and these ones weren't available from June through the rest of the year. You kind of just had to purchase the whole thing, which I was okay with, so I didn't really mind. I just wanted these. Like, I love this layout right here. I was obsessing over Jennifer's spreads with this layout. So she's Jennifer at Best Kept Plans on Instagram. So make sure you check her out because I was just loving what she was doing with this weekly layout. I am loving it. I love, of course, how it has lines. I cannot live without my lines. So yeah, she is the reason why I decided to just jump on board, because for such a long time I was obsessing over her layouts, and just look at how simple, neutral, and basic this is, and I just love this so much. So like I mentioned, this is from January 2020 through December of 2020, because you just couldn't get the remainder of the year, which was okay. So now I know to purchase once the full year starts. So I had no problem with that, and I'm super excited to be setting this up. So I think I have the basics to get started, but like I said, I placed so many orders. I went down the rabbit hole, and I was just ordering and ordering and ordering. So we have the weeklies, and then of course I did need the monthly dividers. And just look at these. These are so basic. And I love that they're clear. And let's see. And they're this durable material. I love these. Like, how pretty and simple are these? I don't know how many times I can say simple and pretty and neutral, but that's basically what this is. And I'm obsessed with all of their items. They're such good quality as well. So here are the monthly dividers. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to get started setting her up and getting her ready for July. And I believe I'm going to be using the half letter as my new catch-all. So I'm excited for that. And then these ones are the covers. So what I'm thinking of doing is I'll go ahead and put a cover, a dashboard, maybe another one. I don't know. There's so many ways to place these. So I am so excited to just get started because I just can't wait. So this is the front and the back cover. And then, like I mentioned, I did order some of these items for a catch-all. Not a catch-all, but a classic size for the Happy Planner. So I did get the inbox as well for the classic size. And then I also got this today dashboard, and I just fell in love with this immediately because it's simple, it's plain, there's no design going on, it's super neutral, and then the today is all across. So I know in some of the Happy Planner dashboards, we have maybe the today, which is sectioned off over here, and then we have 3 other ones, so it kind of just breaks it down. But I just love how this whole thing is from edge to edge, so I love this. And I couldn't find this one in the half letter, but I was able to get it in the classic size, so I'm happy with that. I'll be on the lookout for when they restock these for the half letter, but for now I did grab it in the classic. And then the last thing that I did get is this cover for the classic as well. So it's just the front and the back for the classic. So I don't know, maybe some added protection in my classic. I don't know, unless I wanted to build another one. I am still not sure, but I am loving the fact that I'm going to be playing around with a new system that, by the way, is super neutral and super amazing. So I cannot wait to get started. So I have these items for the classic, and then these ones are for the half letter. So I just thought that was a perfect size to start with. But like I said, I went down the rabbit hole and I ended up ordering so many stuff for the classic too. So I don't know exactly what I'm going to do, but I knew that I wanted all of these items because they're just so pretty, and I am super excited to be setting this up. I cannot wait. I'm super excited to get all the rest of my orders in. It shouldn't be too long, and I'm thinking that they're going to arrive before July, which is when I plan to do all of the setups and just show my planner lineup for July of 2020. And I'm so excited, and I cannot wait for everything else. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.